Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from JetBeam. Now this here is their RRT01 Raptor. Now I was sent this by JetBeam directly. They wanted me to test and review this light. Comes in this box. So let's wait no further. Let's open it up and see what's in. Now this is a complete kit. Comes with everything you need to get started. Here's the user manual. Now it comes with two versions of LEDs. You can get the XP-G3 from Cree or the Nichia 219C. Here are the specs. 950 lumens on the highest output. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise, we're going to move along. A little certificate of approval on the quality check, warranty card here as well, and you've got an Allen wrench and screws for the clip, as well as a new button cover for the switch. And we've got one lanyard here. That's a decent size. So now let's go ahead and take out the light. There it is. Now I like the fact that this has a dial-in feature for the light output. You just turn that. That's similar to ramping. Knurling on here is not real rough. Clip on here is pretty heavy duty. Nice steel bezel on here. You can table stand that if you need. Style and design on this is very nice. No real heat sinking on here. Tail clicky. The machining and finish on this is excellent. No issues. So now let's go ahead and take a look here at the textured reflector. This is running the Nichia 219C LED. And this is more of like a 5000K. Now let's go ahead and open it up. I'm going to show you here, if you open it up from this end, you will not be able to take the battery out. I'm just showing you the spring. You see the quality. Put it all back together. take the battery out. Now there is a little protection piece in here you want to remove when taking the battery out. And it's clear, as you can see. And I'll show you the head of the light. Straight contact point there. You will need to run button top only cells, including the included 18350 or the CR123A or RCR123, also known as the 16340. And here's the battery that's included, 1100 milliamp. This is a USB rechargeable right on the battery itself. This kit did not come with a USB charging cable, but this micro is very popular. This is a 10 amp cell. Should provide plenty of power for this light. Not a huge light output, but 950 lumens is a lot of light for this small of a light. Alright, okay, so to activate the light, you're going to turn that on. So now all you do is turn the dial, just like this. That's the highest output there, 950 lumens. Not bad. Real nice warm tint to that. Look at the cutoff on that spill. That is really nice. Nice centralized hotspot. A little bit of bleeding around the edges of that. Good combination beam. And of course, if you want to dial that down, you can really, even with one finger, you can do that. So smooth. All the way to off. We'll turn it just to where it comes on. Right there. That's the lowest light output there. And that's probably about a half a lumen. I don't think, even though it says 1 lumen to 950, that looks less than a lumen. Really impressive. So now I'll show you how to do these special modes. You're going to go all the way up to the highest output and simply double back and forth on that dial. We'll get you strobe. And that is a constant rate of speed on the flash. And then if you want to dial that down, you can until it shuts off, and you're right back in business. Now if you do want to get the other special mode, you'll need to do the same thing, but only this time 3 times. Now if you do want to get the other special mode, again you're going to do it again, this time 3 times. 1, 2, 3. We'll get you SOS. And that's at the full light output as well. Once you've done that, you can easily turn this down. There'll be at different light outputs on even strobe as well. And that's all there is to this light. Simple, great for EDC, just a perfect size. More than compact enough to fit in your hand. Lock it out so it doesn't come on. Good safety feature. Man. Well, I'm excited, so let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in this windy, weird weather out of nowhere, literally. I've been out here for over an hour and testing lights out, and wind came out of nowhere. Anyways, we're here to test out, here in the darkness, the JetBeam. And we've got I mean, this literally came out of nowhere. So I'm just going to go ahead and sorry about this. We're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to turn it on now. This is the JetBeam Raptor. I'm going to turn it on just a little bit here. Kind of give you an idea. That's 35 feet to that water spout from where I'm standing. That's 65 feet to that tree there. What's making it real nice warm temperature on there, neutral white. And this is probably the warmest that I would go. Anything warmer, I don't like it too much. But these gusts of winds, I've been out here for over an hour, and it was no wind at all. Hot. It's been 111 degrees here. All right, I'm going to turn it up just a little bit more. Here we go. Look at that. All right. And we're going to go ahead and pan around here. It's got a nice neutral white. 138 feet to this tree of life from where I'm standing. Try to hurry up and get these done here. Wind is really gusty at times. There we go there. Looks good. So now we're going to go up to the next level. I'm going to raise it up all the way to the highest level. And that's the highest level there. Look at that. All coming from this little light. Great for EDC. We're going to do a beam profile. See how it does. And it's about 5 o'clock in the morning, and this weather is bizarre. Show you this over here. We'll do a before and after here. Excellent performance. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Excellent performance from such a small EDC light. Also can be used tactically too if you want. Small enough. Definitely, turn that on. You can use it as a tactical if you want. Pressure switch, kind of was playing with that out there. And that really comes in handy if you're wanting to use the bottom of your thumb as well. Works quite well. So definitely great for EDC and tactical applications if you ask me. Solid build quality, machining and finish on this is top notch. Not seeing any issues. The dial-in feature is nice. Easily move it with one finger if you wish, or two, while holding it with one hand. Now I want to thank JetBeam for sending me this Raptor to review. Now if this is something you're interested in getting, remember this is a complete kit, comes with everything you need in this box to get started. I will leave a link down in the description area where you can get this light. And that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from JetBeam to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.